As I said in the previous video, we're gonna take a small break from creating new enemy types. Instead, on this video, I want to create an economy system for our project. What I mean is this: I want when our player object kills an enemy, whether it be a standard enemy, a Lecher, or a bomber, then that kill will give the player some money. Then later on, the money that we gain by killing enemies can be used to buy weapons, which is where our weapons right here come into place. So we're gonna add a shopping system into our project, but that's the topic for the next video, for tomorrow's video. Today we're gonna make our enemies killable, and then we're gonna make it so each kill, depending on the enemy type, gives us money. Let's start working on that. So text, yes please. There, that's nice. Now this will be 0. Where is the... there. Money counter. Now we're gonna make all 3 of these prefabs killable. Let's start with our standard enemies. So private float hot. Let's also make it 1.5. Now void on trigger, enter. Switch other tag case. Pistol boot. Is that how it works? Switch cage. Yeah. Actually, we need to make this string like this. Then what? Out. What's next? Shotty one pet. So is this supposed to be higher damage, or this is higher damage? Okay. 1 bullet. So rifle 1 is the fastest, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's the fastest. So actually we can make it 4. What else? G1. If heart is more than 0f, there. Public what's named it? Give it money counter. So text mesh pro money counter. can just have this and copy it onto the other two enemy types, but we do need to give them different health values. So standard enemy's health value is 1.5. Bombers can be a little bombers can be maybe a little bit more, let's say, fragile. So health 1. And Nitros are gonna be even more fragile because they are smaller. So 0.5. Zero 0.6 maybe. That's great. Let's add another one. Why are you stuck? Why are you guys stuck? What? Whatever. Okay. Okay, we got the basics of an economy done right here. And I think that's it. Let me actually try killing other two enemy types too, to see if they will give money. The Lasher do. And the Bomber also does. Good. That's all. See you in the next video.